Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Tech World 2050. Today I am describing you how to make a cinematic video from your mobile phone like a professional filmmaker. Before we starting, please let me sure that you subscribe this channel for the latest tips and tricks. So let's start. Step 1. Shoot from your default mobile camera in portrait mode. Just make sure that the setting of the camera is in 1280 by 720 HD or better than this quality. You can use any mobile phone to capture your video, but it should be in portrait mode. That's all. See my 3 videos that is shoot by me on this morning without any editing, and I will show you how you can create a cinematic film from these videos with a free software in just 10 minutes. So stay tuned. Step number 2. Download the app FilmoraGo from Google Play Store. FilmoraGo is a free application software where we can create movies from your pictures or videos. I tried almost all other free applications from Play Store for creating awesome movies like this, but I satisfied with this software only. So, after downloading, install it on your mobile phone. I done it already, so you go to the app directly. On the opening window, we can see that create new video. Just click on it. Next step is to select the files where we shoot already. My videos is there at folder camera, and I selected that videos one by one. Add each and every video. Add it, back, add, and again back. If you want to see the preview of the video, just hold it on that clip. That's all. After adding all your videos, go to next from the right side of the screen. So we can see that the videos uploaded will be on process to ready for editing. In this screen, on the right side, we can see that themes, music, transition, ratio, and other edit tools. Go to first one, themes. When click on that themes, there is a lot of predefined themes coming on that left side, whether we can use it or not. Check one by one. Now I am not using none of these. So just go to top of that and just select none option. The second feature is music. We can add music by pressing plus sign on the left bottom side of the screen. There's a lot of preset music on the app itself, or you can use the music from your mobile phone gallery. Now I'm using one of the music from library and press OK and OK again. You can select music for each and each videos. Next option is transition. You can use any transition in between the video clips. If you want to apply same transition for all video clips, just click on the apply all button on the right bottom side of the screen. Then press OK. The next one is ratio, otherwise crop. This is one of the most important and awesome setting in cinematic filmmaking. Press on it. On the left side, you can see that the options for this. Be sure that you selected 21:9 or 16:9 widescreen. Select add frame on the second option and black from the third option. So see how it's look like. Next option is Edit Tools. On the bottom right side corner of the screen you can see Edit Tools. It has a wide variety of a lot of options. The first one is Trim Clip. We can cut the video wherever you want, and as an extra feature on this, to get a reverse of the video you selected. After the trimming completed, press OK and go back. Next option is Subtitle. Type your subtitle on the video. For example, if it's the starting of the video, you can write example The Tech World 2050 presents and select the font style and color according to your interest. Then press OK. Adjust the location on the screen from where you want to show the title. From the left side of the screen, you can select the moving style of the title. I selected Typer. Now see how it's look like. And from where to where you want to show your title on the video. Adjust the time on the bottom of the video like this. After finishing this, press OK. Next option is PIP. PIP, it means picture in picture. It can use if you want to show a logo on the video. For that, just click on plus sign at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select the image where you want to apply as logo. Then press OK. Now I am not using it. Next step, it is to add a voiceover on the video. For example, if you are shooting the video in a noisy place, you can properly hear the sound if it's a conversation scene. So we can use this option from a studio or according to your convenience. Next step, it is the audio mixer. On this feature, we have three options for the audios. The audio were captured by your phone at the time of shooting. The music were we added at the starting of this video editing. And the voiceover we just added right now. According to the situation of the film, adjust the volume levels as you want and press OK. Next step is the filter option. One of the most important and stunning steps for your cinematic filmmaking is this filter option. Just click on that and select the preset filters according to your film. I am selecting the filter name Sunny. If you are selecting filter for all your clips, use Apply All feature on the right side of the screen. But I strongly recommend you to select this option by video, one by one. For example, if you are shooting a scene from your room, the filter will be look different and it may differ according to your light and conditions. So press OK after finishing this. Next one is overlays. It has a lot of variety of overlays where you can use it as your convenience. I am selecting the last overlay named Fashion. It has also an Apply All feature where you can use it or not, and then press OK. Next option, it is to add elements for your video. I am just using the element Plane 1 from the preset, then press OK. And if you want an outro, like thanks for watch. At the end of the video, you can also use this option. For this feature, go to the last video clip by pressing and selecting from bottom left side of the screen. You can use all the editing we already done for the first video to this video clip also. For example, just click on the feature love on the elements option and check out the last option, those two. Just select it, apply OK. Now just look on that how it's look like. Next feature, it is to add title of your video. There's a lot of awesome titles where you can use it. So the title of the film where I am showing is on my second video clip. So I am changing my clip to the second one from left bottom side of the screen. Then I am going to titles and selecting one preset title called Doodle. And I am making and changing the video title to Gladiators. Now see how it's look like. Press on OK and come back to the next feature, speed. You can make different types of speed. Whether you can use slow motion or speed up by this option according to your scenes. I am just selecting normal and just pressing OK. The next option is to rotate the video clip if you want, but according to you. The next option is the adjustment of the video properties. Video properties means like brightness, contrast, saturation, like that. So make it and go to next feature. The next option is to duplicate your any video clip to use it again. Mostly we can use this option for filmmakers. For example, in films you can see that someone is dreaming or memorizing the same scene to show on the film again and again repeatedly. So this option can be useful for that. And the very last option, to delete any clip from the video. For example, if we add same clip 2 times mistakenly, or non-use of any duplicate clip where we just discussed just now, you can use this option. So let's go to save and save it. That's all you guys, you made it. Now you can preview your own awesome cinematic film and save it to camera roll. Now enjoy your preview. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions about this video, you can comment below. Like if you like it, share if you like, and don't forget to subscribe to get more awesome videos through this channel. Have a nice day.